Well, good morning, everybody. If you're watching me live, or if you're watching this recording, you know what? I appreciate you watching the videos. Subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? Right on. That's always a good thing. Okay, today is Friday the 13th. Now, if you live in Utah and if you've grown up with this kid right here with the horsetail hair, everyone knows that by far my favorite scary guy of all time is Jason of Friday the 13th. And today is Friday the 13th. I'm excited. I always wear my Jason custom hockey mask ring. That's right. It says Friday the 13th engraved on it. All right. It's kind of cool. I'm a big fan of collecting crazy stuff. All right. This little guy shaking his butt here. The lights from the ceiling. All right. When I turn it on, look at that. He just shakes his little bum. he's my pal. He watches my video creations. Look at that. Oh, Friday the 13th. I call her Jacene. Man, look at that cute little bum. All right. And let's see, I bought the script of Friday the 13th. I have one of the hockey masks from the movie autographed by one of the actors that's running around with a big old axe and who knows what chainsaw doing chaos. I even have fridge magnets. Oh, here's one. Look, I even have little fridge magnets of Jason. Okay, so anyway, happy Friday 13th. You know what's my favorite number too? Everybody's always scared of the number 13. There's a lot of elevators that don't have 13. There's hotels that don't have 13th floors. I think it's kind of a fun number. So I have embraced 13 is even my favorite number. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to pay tribute to Jason and whoever created that movie back in 1979 with Kevin Bacon Bits and a bunch of other actors that no one has ever heard of again. Even Kevin has kind of retired a little bit. But anyway, I always get a kick when it literally is Friday the 13th, which it is today. All right, now, living good, feeling good. All right, I have a whole bunch of videos I'm going to make today. And in about an hour or two, we're going to do a live Zoom meeting with CEO Ben and Nader Kazan, VP of Marketing, Ryan and, Dr. Ryan. He's the guy in charge creating our products, and his hot wife, Lisa. She's in charge of just the education of our products. Every Friday at noon Eastern. And I'm going to put a link right below. You can watch the Zoom meeting live. You don't have to, but if you want to, it's kind of fun. I record everything that Live Good produces live each week. Monday, Ryan and Lisa, they have just a nice, usually about 30-minute live Zoom about the products. Wednesday, Nader Kazan, he does like a 20 to 30, sometimes even a 40-minute live presentation just all about recruiting. You can invite people to this live Wednesday meeting, and all our meetings are at noon Eastern, by the way. And they're great for people to see who owns our company, who's in charge, who is creating these products, and can you actually chit-chat with them, okay? If you know how to do this on a keyboard, okay, Lisa at livegood.com. Any questions about the products? Ryan, who creates them all, Ryan at livegood.com. Nader, Nauder, Nader Kazan. All right, he sounds like a superhero almost, like Shazam. All right, Nader at livegood.com. And even our CEO has probably the world's easiest name to spell, Ben, Gentle Ben, Ben at livegood.com. You know what? Write these cats. See if they write you back. Now, if you have a lot of questions about anything in Live Good, especially if you're signed up or you have credit card issues or something about shipping to your country, support at livegood.com. Okay? Just go there, do it. It don't matter if it's Sunday morning, Sunday evening, 24 hours a day. Just go ahead and just write the support staff at Live Good. You want your questions asked. Now, each day I get a handful of questions, usually about Live Good, how to market, how to do this, how to do that. I do my best to get a hold of support. They probably know me better than anybody in the company because I just want to know what's going on. And if you ask me a question, Cory at CoryDraper.com, I want to be able to answer it without maybe you. It's not that you're bugging support at livegood.com, but I can probably get back faster. If I see a question and if I have like an extra few minutes, which I always do, I will sit and I'll answer that question as fast as I can by typing you back, whatever I need to do. Okay. Because if you're asking questions, it means you're interested in buying the products, either joining or you want to be an affiliate. Okay. You paid your $40 one-time fee. You're a member at $9.95. And now you're a member. You can buy all our products wholesale and resell them if you want. Or what most people do is they just buy cheap, put them in their guts and make you feel good. All right, nothing wrong with that. And if you're an affiliate, you probably want to earn money. And since we're a membership-based company, we don't focus on the retail. You don't have to buy any products to earn money with us. Okay? That's what's pretty refreshing. And 99% the reason why I decided to climb aboard this Live Good thing. Because I'm not an MLM guy. I'm not. And I would probably do pretty good at any MLM you throw at me. But I honestly believe that when people sign up underneath me, where you have to buy products that are way inflated on price, I don't think you have a chance in hell of being successful. Where in Live Good, I do. I think if you spend $10 a month, I think that you can earn 100, 500, 1,000 or more. It just depends on making content, emailing people, inviting people to a link to click, and they can just sit back and watch little short movies. They're already made. You don't have to do videos like I'm doing now where you can talk in front of a webcam and do things where you show your screen and that. You don't have to do any of that. So just relax. If you join my little group, all right, don't worry. There's plenty of videos already made where you just need to share the darn things, come up with a link. I always hold up my business cards because I'm lazy. I could do it on my screen, but you know what? Joincory.com. Cheap, 20 some odd bucks, Vistaprint, $5 shipping. I just got this red card with a little race car in the background just for fun. And then I like white font because it jumps off the card. Wouldn't you say that if it's like 3 or 4 feet away on a wall or just sitting on a desk, you can probably see joincory.com. Okay. That's how I recommend you do a business card. And on the street, don't talk about Live Good. Let the videos do everything. Most people are going to forget whatever you talk about anyway. You're at a party. You're at your aunt's house. Someone, I don't know, maybe a good friend or someone just recognizes you from, let's say, a post on Facebook. Just go, hey guys, you know what? Just go to joincory.com. Just go to whatever your domain is. Watch the little short videos. You have any questions, get a hold of me. I'm easy to find. All right, I'm on Facebook, or maybe you don't mind putting something on the back. I always leave the back of the card like this. All right, because I put my grocery list on these things. And I like to pick my teeth. If I have like a piece of chicken or maybe like a little apple or something, God forbid there's a piece of pepper. Do you ever go out to eat? You're talking like, yeah, man, that was a great dinner. Then you get home and you have like 4 pieces of pepper and your friends. And oh man, wonder if you're with like a pretty lady or ladies. It's probably even more embarrassing for you. Wonder if you have some pepper in your teeth and you're trying to date that handsome guy. Well, you know what? With a business card, all right, hand it to that guy going, hey, you know what? Check this out. And don't even give him a kiss goodbye. All right, just give him a card. And then when you get home, use your own card to go like this. Hey. So don't take my dating advice. No wonder I'm single and I'm almost 60. Single, sexy, and 60. All right, can I put that on my business card? SSS. All right. Yeah, don't take my dating advice. But do use your business card to pick your teeth with. Okay? Or dental floss. Whatever you have handy. All right. So anyway, I'm going to hurry and upload this video. I'm going to get ready for a live Zoom meeting because every Friday is the best one, in my opinion. I love it. It's where all 4 founders and owners, they talk about figures, not this. I'm talking figures. How much did we make for the month? Are we doing 15 million in sales? All right. How many people have signed up? 2 people, 10 people, 50 or 100 people, ranking up from like bronze, silver, good old platinum, right up to diamond, crown diamond. We have ranks. So when you get volumes of people joining your business, all right, you can earn even more money than you probably realize because every Thursday we get paid. You go to a little tab that says My Earnings, then it breaks it down and you're like, God, I thought I was going to make like 41 bucks. And all of a sudden you make like 141 or even more, maybe thousands. Okay, it's all broken down nicely. Okay, so getting paid every Thursday, it's pretty darn cool. Go to the website, please. I want you to look at the products, FAQ, and the affiliate pay plan, the comp. All right, the comp plan, tongue twister in the morning. affiliate pay plan or pay plan link. You guys will figure it out. Just go to livegood.com or just check out joincory.com. Put in your email, put in your name. I'm going to send you information every day about LiveGood. And if you don't want them anymore, just opt out. You guys know how emails work, okay? And if you want to join LiveGood, all right, just go to joincory.com, name, email, go to your email from LiveGood. Inside that email, just click a little button, okay? And you are going to totally just enter your email address, put in your credit card information, debit card. We even take crypto, all right? Creepy crypto. Ooh, all right. We accept just about any payment, okay? Because we're a worldwide company. 200 plus companies or countries. I know I was going to say companies. Okay. We probably have more than one company trying to join LiveGood right now as I speak. Today we average 3,000 signups worldwide. Every Friday, Ben always says, you know what? It's already noon here Eastern. We've had 3,000 people sign up. All right. Very transparent. We always talk about how many people have joined, the money that's being spent on products, what country is really doing well. You know, China's doing well, South Korea, a lot of the Asian areas. But then again, down below in Australia, right over to Africa. All right. America, we're still number one, though. You know, we're based out of Jupiter, Florida. Used to be other countries we're signing up the most. But right now, I think America's still in the lead. I think China's right in the number 2 position, and some other great countries over in Asia as well. So if you have friends all over the country, get a hold of them. All you got to do is just invite them to a link, guys. Do what I do. I want you to copy exactly what I do. Okay, I'm doing well. I signed up about 10 people in the last 12 days. And I have no doubt I'll sign up 1 or 2 people this weekend. All right, so to average 1 sign up a day, I'll take it. Especially going into the Christmas season where people are more or less screwing off, eating, shopping, screwing off, shopping a little more. All right, unfortunately eating more than they should. So they need LiveGood products. Okay, we're designed to get you in shape, make you feel good, get some muscles on you. All right, or maybe lose weight, maybe lower your blood pressure, maintain your diabetes. It's up to you guys, whatever your goal is. Okay, you guys figure it out. But I just want you to visit my link. All right, it's pretty darn easy. And if you're watching me live right now, you know, at 10 o'clock, just go to my Facebook page or right below this video, you'll see the link where you can watch the live Zoom every Friday at noon. All right. It's my favorite out of all. I mean, they're all good meetings, but Friday, it's always kind of cool. Okay. Well, say goodbye to Jacine. All right. Jason is her brother, but this is her hot self. All right. I might start wearing a hockey mask and carry swords and axes and everything else, especially look at that cute little bum. Okay, guys. And yes, I'm the only one that has bought this doll, probably made in China. Okay. So anyway, you guys have a good Friday the 13th, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, if I can do something for you. All right, guys. Okay. Have a good Friday. Bye.